Virginia.
Your gardener said you'd be sitting out here.
Yes, would you care to join us?
No, I'm looking for Billy. You haven't seen him. He isn't here, is he?
No, I haven't seen him. Have you seen him?
No.
Why, what's up?
I wish I knew. He didn't come home last night. He's been out all night.
Maybe he's at the community center. Have you tried there?
Oh, they're not open yet. I got a machine.
Well, they should be open now.
Look, I'll go and try again for you.
Thank you. Is your husband out looking too? Virginia?
Oh, no, I haven't told him yet. I suppose I should soon.
Virginia, I'll bet that Billy shows up any minute now. You know, if your boy is anything like our two, hell, he'll saunter in all oblivious. You'll blow your stack. He'll give you this wounded look like, what did I do? Yeah, I stayed out all night, and I forgot to call, and you probably thought I was dead in a ditch somewhere. But, honey, isn't that what we always think? And don't they always turn out to be just fine?
Well, yes, that's true. That's true. They always turn out to be fine. Look, he's been through a very rough time recently. Perhaps he just needed to be alone by himself.
You saw him at that meeting. He was very shaken by that meeting. He being put on the spot like he was in front of everyone.
Look, it can be hard to tell the truth sometimes, Virginia.
But he did it, and you should be very proud of him.
I tried talking to him just yesterday, and he just...
Virginia, I'm sure he is safe and sound somewhere.
Well, I'm not. I know something's been eating him up. Well, I guess I've known for a long time that there was something about him that's troubled.
Virginia, it's called adolescence.
No. No, something inside of him has always been... I don't know. It's not what we expected. And I don't think Billy accepts it either. And I think that's why he went to Reverend Carpenter to ask for help. But when I tried talking to him, he got so upset in the country club, he just jumped up and ran out. And now I'm thinking, why didn't I just shut up? Why didn't
Do you think she knows? You think Billy is hurt?
Keep it down, right in the next room.
Do you?
Well, I think his mom's been giving him a lot of grief about telling her his feelings.
Do you actually think he told her that he's gay?
Well, if Billy figures out that that's what she wanted him to open up about, then he's going to feel like he wants to explode.
And you remember what happened the 4th of July?
Yeah, I hope he doesn't get wasted again. Now, come on, we're going to find him. Before he gets hurt, we're going to find him.
How?
We're going to go to all the places he hangs out. The community center, the mall, Wanda's, the country club. Maybe he's there.
Joey?
Yeah?
I'm scared.
Come on. We're going to find him. I promise we're going to find him. He'll be okay.
I just didn't want to pretend with you that I wasn't scared.
I'm a little scared myself. Okay?
Why do we have to go this way, Joey?
I think it's okay in the daylight. It's a shortcut to the bus stop.
Joey. Do it, girl. God. Is he okay?
I don't know. Billy! Billy! Come on. This isn't good.
Marty. Look.
Marty, talk to me. Come on. Well, Billy's out of it. How much did you guys drink?
Oh, how much of what?
The bottle of vodka.
All of it. Then we moved on. Tequila? Some girly boy must have a lot of legs.
Billy! Billy, come on. Call an ambulance, okay?
Is he breathing?
Yes, all right. Just call an ambulance, all right? Run!
No, Joey, get his face out of him on his face.
I will! Run, okay? Please. Billy? Come on, wake up. Okay. Be okay. It's gonna be Shut up.
Hey! Still my stupid.
If you want to flush yourself down the tube, that's fine. Be my guest, all right? Now watch out to drag Billy down with you.
What's the problem with the Billster?
Look at him, Marty!
Oh, so he got a little bit wrecked, so he's sleeping it off. Next time I'll make sure he stays steady.
He's not just wrecked, okay? I can't wake him up.
Well, you holding him in your arms, he probably doesn't want to wake up.
What is wrong with you, huh? Don't you care about anything?
It's no big deal. It's no big deal.
It'll be okay, kiddo. All right? It'll be all right. I don't have that many friends in the world. I can afford to lose one more. Billy. Leave me, all right? Please. Come on, Billy. Don't leave me.
Get him set up in there. I'll be right in.
How is he?
How much did you let him drink? His blood alcohol content's way above 30%, which means he's not hammered or wasted or pounded or any of those cute words you use to say drunk. He's poisoned. Way cool, isn't it? He's got all the symptoms of alcohol poisoning.
Can I sleep it off?
Am I being clear here? He doesn't have a buzz on, folks. He damn near killed himself.
Dr. Woolley, we weren't there. We didn't know what he was doing. It was...
Okay, I'm sorry, Joey. It's just I see this kind of stupid waste. If you ask me a question, no, he can't sleep it off. That's why we're pumping his stomach. We put a tube down his throat to pull the alcohol out of his system, or whatever's left anyway. Now, if we've done it in time, he's going to be fine. If not, he could slip into coma. It's just too soon to call right now.
How could you do this, huh? What were you thinking?
We did it together.
Yeah? To wind you in there with a tube down your throat about to die, huh?
Joey? Where is he? Oh, Dr. Wallace, thank God. I got this garbled message that said he was poisoned.
That's right, alcohol poisoning.
But how? Who would do such a thing?
He did it to himself, Mrs. Douglas. He drank too much alcohol much too quickly.
Are you pumping his stomach?
Yes, we're doing what we can to get it out of his system, but a lot's already been absorbed into his bloodstream.
But he's going to be all right.
I won't lie to you, Mrs. Douglas. Billy's condition is grave.
Can I see him?
Sure.
Why don't you just go home? Haven't you already accomplished what you set out to do?
What are you talking about?
You wanted to hurt Billy, right?
We were playing a stupid game, that's all.
Yeah, and he lost.
So if you two are doing the same thing, why are you walking around like nothing happened?
Oh, what do you say? I made him chug a lug more than me, is that it? I probably knocked back twice as much as he did. I'm just used to it. I need something to get me through the nights, and my lupus medication just doesn't get me high enough.
You were drinking while you were taking a medication?
Oh, no, that would be irresponsible. I never take my lupus juice when I'm planning on partying.
Oh, is that what you call passing out in a sewer? Partying? So then this hospital must be real downer for you, huh, Marty? So why are you hanging around?
Oh, I just want to see if the kid hangs in or if he croaks.
He's still unconscious. Joey, why don't you take a break, go on home. You can come back later and visit him.
Is he gonna make it?
I don't know.